In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the official Discord server of the game BLOX Fruits on Roblox. First, open the Discord app. Then, on the left side menu, click the plus button labeled Add a Server. After clicking it, a new window will appear. Select Join a Server. In the invite link field, type the name exactly as I'm writing it here, BLOX Fruits. Make sure it's spelled correctly without adding or removing any letters. If the name is typed incorrectly, you may end up joining an unofficial server. After confirming everything is correct, click Join Server and you'll enter the BLOX Fruits Discord server. However, to get full access to all channels, you'll need to verify your account by linking your Roblox account with your Discord account. To do this, click on Verification. Once you're there, type /verify in the chat and press Enter. Then click Verify with BLOX link. You'll be redirected to a new browser tab. In that new tab, follow the step-by-step instructions to connect your Roblox account to Discord. After completing the verification process with BLOX link, you'll have full access to all channels in the BLOX Fruits Discord server. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support me. Thanks for watching.